and additionally that there is a preservation of peace. The Inspector General of Police is duty-bound to observe, comply with, and promote constitutional standards of human rights and fundamental freedoms. In the end, the judge issued a mandatory order compelling the police to ensure security, public safety, observance of the law and order by demonstrators whenever and wherever they picketed or demonstrated pursuant to any notification given to the police under the Public Order Act. The NASA CEO, Mr. Norman Magaya, issued notice of a demonstration to the police for the sole object of getting the relevant agencies to provide security. Once such a notification is given, the burden shifts to the police to provide security to both the demonstrators and the general public. Our CEO cannot therefore be penalized for following the law. To our surprise and consternation, Kenyans woke up to an image on the front page of the Star newspaper of an innocent demonstrator being run over by the very police that are meant to provide security. Our policemen have now become agents of terror. And up until now, we have had no comment on this grave violation of police trust from either Matiang'i or indeed the Inspector General of Police. There have been no arrests or recording of statements. To make matters worse, in his utterances today, Mr. Matiang'i seeks to criminalize legal political activity, and we wish to categorically state that we shall hold him personally responsible should any harm come to the CEO of the NASA Secretariat, Mr. Norman Magaya, following his reckless threats and intimidation. And we dare say that if he continues, our right to a private prosecution against him is still available. We therefore give notice to our supporters that we will proceed with our constitutionally guaranteed demonstrations as planned throughout the country and call upon the police to provide security as is their responsibility in law. This is a statement from the NASA parliamentary group. And just as a matter of interest, this afternoon after I heard what Matiang'i was saying, I sent him this message via SMS. Mr. Matiang'i, why don't you engage a lawyer to advise you on the constitutionality of your actions, utterances, and threats to innocent Kenyans? You have no power or capacity to ban lawful protests and or demonstrations. Do you know what he replied? A single word: nonsense. And I simply sent back an SMS to tell him, that is exactly what you are. Arrogant, distasteful, and unfit to hold public office. And indeed, that is what he is. I've heard as I was coming here the statement he made saying that he's drafting charges to arraign Norman Magaya in court. We dare him here and now as NASA. We have a battery of lawyers that are finer and better than any lawyer that Jubilee has on their ranks. Let them take Magaya and we'll be there and show them what the law says and how the law protects Kenyans. Mr. Matiang'i, you are not above the law, and you better know that you aren't. We tell you this for free.